Hey guys, it's Mike at Narcoleptic Customs with our buddy Matt Monroe. You remember him from the Duster. Oh, we're going to get into this here in just a minute, in just a minute. But you remember Matt from the C10 Project Gojira that we helped him put back together, what, 3-4 months ago?
Yeah, about 4 months ago.
Something like that. So he has a new project that's not new to him.
Right.
You'll remember it from the review video that we did a couple of weeks ago, maybe 2 months ago. Dude, it's probably been 6 months with the C10.
It's been about 6 months with the C10.
Been a while.
About a month since we did.
Time goes too fast.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll link the C10 stuff here in the corner, and then after it's done, I'll link the review video for the Duster there. And then also, this is what's going in here. So Matt, tell us a little bit about what that is.
Okay, so what it was, I kind of passed on it at first. It's a 5.7 out of a 2007 Hemi Charger.
Sweet.
And a buddy of mine saw it, called me. He's like, "Hey, you gonna get it?" And I was like, "No, I'm gonna pass on it. I'm just gonna do my 318 build." And I go and see him at his store because he works for O'Reilly's too. And he's like, "Dude, you need to do it." So I talked to the wife, and I was like, "I don't know. What do you think?" And she's like, "It's what you wanted to do from the get-go."
She's so supportive of you.
So she goes, "So do it, so I don't have to listen to you whine about it."
Yep.
And I was
give her this super cute baby, and she's like, "Do whatever you want."
Exactly. She's like,
"That's awesome.
Just go to town." So $600 later, what we thought we were just getting a block and some heads was actually a complete Hemi.
It's all of it.
From intake to oil pan, complete Hemi.
That's awesome. And it's been to the machine shop. Everything's all cleaned up. All that stuff internally. Matt's got a cam kit picked out. Basically like a stage one.
Stage 1 comp cam, HRT. It's going to be the MDS removable because this was like right in the area where they started introducing that.
Okay, so MDS multi-displacement system or whatever the hell they call it.
Yeah, where they turn it into a 4-cylinder when you're doing highway speeds.
Yeah, which would probably be fine in this, really. I mean, this car weighs what, 2,700 pounds?
Roughly, yeah. Just right around in there.
That's awesome. So aluminum heads on that block,
right? Came with aluminum heads.
It'll be the first Gen 3 Hemi stuff that we'll be a part of, so that'll be kind of fun. What operating system are you using?
I'm going to use the Terminator, the Holly Terminator, the Gen 3 standalone Hemi.
Yep. So they just released it.
Yeah, I'm one of the first guys that actually hashtag Gen 3 Hemi swap Terminator.
God, that's awesome. With it. That's awesome. Yeah. So that's coming, or is it here already?
It is actually right over here in this box.
Let's look at it. I mean, how are they going to send it in a nondescript white box? That's so people don't steal it.
Yeah, pretty much.
I mean, dude, flip that front around. Hang on. Look at that. Like, if it didn't have that right there, you would think that was like drugs or something. Look at all that stuff.
So, very, very cut and dry instruction manual. I thumbed through it a little bit.
That's awesome. Okay, don't open it up. Don't open it up.
You don't want to go too deep?
Nope. Because Matt's going to do an unboxing video on this very soon on his YouTube channel. He just started it. How many videos do you have loaded?
I have 3 loaded. They're just kind of teasers, but I got 3 loaded.
Yes. So I'm excited to have him take off in this world that we love, all of our YouTube folks. So take a second. I'm going to link his channel right up here in the corner or right up there, however it works out. I don't know how it works on this side.
Yeah.
Because we're facing. Yeah. Anyways, I'm going to link it up there. Go subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can make sure that you keep up on stuff. Because he works in the shop or in the garage about as often as we do, which is a couple times a week. His stuff so far has been great. It's been basically getting him to here. So we'll be back over, I'm sure, to hopefully help him pull this motor out. So we'll see if he'll let us join. Hopefully he will. But so tell us what this setup is if they haven't seen the review video.
Okay, so what this is a 225 slant 6. What Chrysler decided to do was to help with these compact cars and then with their agricultural as well, was get better hood clearance by turning the engine on its axis and tilting it at about 30 degrees, I think it is.
Yep, leaning tower of power.
Leaning tower of power. This is the bigger of the two. In Australia, they actually had a Hemi version.
What?
Yeah, there was a Hemi Slant 6 they released in Australia, and their Chrysler Valiant Charger.
That makes no sense.
It's super cool. I would really want to get my hands on one.
No sense.
So I feel almost guilty doing this Hemi swap like we were talking about, but this engine is actually going to come out, get rebuilt, put back together, And then when my son's old enough, we're gonna build him a project car, and this is going in it.
He's 6 months old.
Yeah, we're planning ahead.
Which is great because like that'll give you time, one.
Yeah.
But then two, like it'll never be gone. And the cool thing about like the Terminator setup or any really like standalone harness is like technically you could put it back to this.
I could, and then I could also use that Terminator to run a Holly Sniper 2-barrel if I wanted to update the manifold.
Oh man, that's cool. I didn't even think about that.
So,
not that you would.
Not that I would, but
because I mean that's 15 years from now, and well, you know.
Yeah, technology's gonna be pretty out there by then.
Yeah, you'll have fun. We'll be electric swapping stuff.
Oh God. But that's actually coming.
Yep. Dude, there's a couple different companies that are great, and I've thought about that because like I think a go-kart with that to drive back and forth to work would be a lot of fun.
That
like
not
a go-kart, but a big cart. You know, Deathkart updates coming soon.
Yeah.
All right. Sorry, my shoulders. Really tired. I did shoulders this morning at the gym. It's wearing me out. So other plans. So you've got a cross member or no? Yeah, cross member for the front, V8 cross member.
Gentleman, Rodney Plott up in Missouri. I buy my A-body parts off of him because the guy's an A-body guru.
Cool.
I shot him a message, asked him if he had a V8 K member because I really needed one for the TTI header swap and everything to go with the Hemi. He had one out of a 73 340 Duster that he had parted out.
Cool.
And that was left over. Fun stuff, he still had the disc brake set up on it.
Oh, that's awesome.
So I now get to do a disc brake conversion on this car because the booster and everything else works for disc brakes up front and then 10-inch brakes on the rear.
Cool, okay.
So the Ford 9-inch I got for it is actually going to have 10-inch drums.
Oh, dude, so you're set up already.
I don't even have to do a proportioning valve. It just goes in, all hooks up, and we're rocking and rolling.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
I mean, I make it sound super easy, but...
Well, it is. You know, all you do is you just do some... I mean, these people have watched TV shows before. They know how easy this stuff is.
Yeah, I mean, you just cut away and then it's in. So
yeah, three weeks of following a build and you're set.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's awesome. All right, so how many videos do you think you'll be putting out a week on your YouTube channel? I'm
going to 3 shorter videos during the week, as often as I can get out here and work on it.
Yep.
Or if it ends up being like a bigger undertaking and it takes a little bit of time to film, I'll probably do like one bigger video like a Friday night or Saturday morning release.
That makes sense. Yep. Okay.
But I mean, honestly, we're almost to the point where we're just pulling engine and then the trans out, and then it's just a whole lot of cleaning and cleaning up wires.
Yep. And then this will roll out, and you'll put the Hemi on the cradle, and will come from the bottom.
Yes. What we're gonna do there is I'm actually gonna put together a little rolling pallet. So when I take the K member and everything out of here, we just roll the new stuff under, lower the car back on top of it, line the shocks up and everything, bolt it in.
That's awesome.
We're done. We don't even have to fight with the K member or the headers because the headers are already on it.
Yeah.
The biggest thing might be so nice. Get a Mopar.
Yeah. I don't know about that, but they're expensive.
I mean, you know what?
They're really not though.
They're really not. I mean, that's one of the big mythos that I hope we can do a video one day of. Car mythos about stuff like. Mopar. Now you get to like the Chargers and Challengers and Kunas. Yeah, they're gonna be expensive. Why? Because it's a legendary name.
Yeah, we know I like stuff that's off the beaten path. So
absolutely, like this Duster, about as off the beaten path as you can get.
Killing. Okay, hang on. I gotta think. Sorry, we had to switch sides. I couldn't hold it up with my right arm anymore. So, all right. So what's next? What's the plan next?
Once this engine's out and that transmission's out, and I have them out of the way, I got my transmission to my buddy Larry. He's pretty good. He's really good at rebuilding transmissions. We're going with a Cope Racing transmission street and strip kit.
Okay.
So it'll be rated for about 500 horsepower or maybe a little more.
Perfect.
It'll be just right because the engine is going to be right about 400 by the time we're done.
Right. So now are you 3-speed or 4-speed?
It's a 904 3-speed.
Okay.
With a B&M ship kit.
Sweet.
And then, like I said, the street
and then like a 5500 stall converter.
I mean, maybe a little less.
Streetcar, okay.
Yeah, streetcar.
4800.
I mean, we do have to drive this every now and then through town.
Yeah.
Eventually, we're gonna see how good the rear end is. We might have to rebuild it, but eventually it's gonna be a posi.
Cool. Well, I would think like for that, like is it what'd that come out of?
It came out of a '60s full-size car.
Okay.
So it's
I would imagine a locker or limited slip setup would be pretty
Like
inexpensive.
$300-400 from what I've looked into
Yeah.
so far.
Dang, I would hope they'd be cheaper than that.
Well, we can hope, but I mean,
Yeah.
but
I got a welder.
Right.
Streetcar, sorry, streetcar.
we're not Lincoln lockering
Yeah,
the
streetcar.
9-inch. We can do that to the baby rear end back there.
No, that's no fun. It just break after they.
You know, and we could take a page out of Hot Rod Garage's book. That's what they did with their
Right.
baby.
So, wheels and tires probably upgrade.
Wheels and tires. I'm not going huge upgrade. Like
Yeah.
I want it to look good. What we're gonna do is
Yeah.
I'm gonna run the classic rallies.
Okay.
I'm gonna run a 15x7 in the front and a 15x8 in the back.
Oh, cool. So
Yeah.
it'll have a tire under, but it won't be what dude, y'all. These right now they're like 135.
It's about as pizza cutters you get. They're like 14x5s or 14x7s,
Yeah.
if that. That's being generous.
But I mean, with the raw horsepower you had here,
All 73 horses.
yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
So okay. I guess that's probably it, right?
I mean, for right now, I mean, we're
Okay.
pretty early in it, but
Yep. Go to his channel right now.
Big Blocks Garage.
Big Blocks Garage, all one word. Go in there, subscribe to it, hit the notification bell, put it on your daily thing, share it on Facebook, post pictures on Instagram, all that kind of stuff. Help him grow his channel so he knows that everybody out here supports him. All right?
Thank you, guys.
Thanks, guys.